Welcome home to this beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath brick home featuring a desirable split-bedroom floor plan and a dedicated office, perfect for working from home or creating a flex space to fit your lifestyle. The updated kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances and flows seamlessly into the living and dining areas, making it ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. The spacious primary suite offers a private ensuite bath complete with a relaxing jetted tub. Elegant bamboo flooring runs throughout the home, adding warmth and style. Enjoy year-round comfort in the impressive 14x27 insulated Florida room, providing abundant additional living space with views of the private backyard. Major updates provide peace of mind, including a new roof, 2023, HVAC system, 2022, and water heater, 2025. The backyard is a private retreat featuring a workshop/storage shed, perfect for hobbies, projects, or extra storage. This move-in ready home